excites you and what encourages you to make a period drama? Because it's a very lengthy film also. Be it with Bahubali also, we had to like wait for to see the second version also. So what excites you the most for that?
What excites me most, this is a question I was asked most of the times, and what really excites me is, if you look at it, is finally when my film comes onto the screen, the way the audience react to the emotions that are displayed on the screen, uh, that is what excites me most. That is the reason why I make the films. I just want to see the reactions of the audiences. I want to I mean, when we write the story, when we are making the film, we have certain expectations of how the audiences are going to react to certain scenes, a certain song or a fight. Just to see it coming true, the realization, yes, we achieved what we wanted to. That is the sole reason, that's the driving point for me to make a film.
अजय जी
दो और सवाल लेंगे हम जी
अजय जी जैसा कि सर ने कहा है कि वो डिफरेंशिएट नहीं करते बंगाली या फिर साउथ या किसी को भी, लेकिन अगर आप थिएटर वाइज देखें तो 60% जो थिएटर्स हैं वो साउथ को बिलोंग करते हैं, तो उनमें तो 100% है कि श्योरिटी है कि फुल जाएंगे, लेकिन रेस्ट ऑफ द जो स्टेट्स हैं वहाँ आपका प्रिडिक्शन क्या काम करता है, क्योंकि जैसा हमने देखा है वो बहुत ही ज़बरदस्त है। जो तो आपको क्या लगता है कि जो साउथ के अलावा जो और स्टेट्स हैं वहाँ पर ये फिल्म किस तरह से
नहीं, जैसे राजमौली सर ने बोला कि वो इंडियन ऑडियंस को सेग्रीगेट नहीं करती विद इन रीजन्स, वो ऐसी एक स्टोरी कहानी बताना चाहते हैं जो सबके साथ रेजोनेट करे। तो मुझे लगता है सारी पिक्चर, जैसे बाहुबली भी थी, वो भी हर जगह एवरी पार्ट ऑफ द कंट्री इट डिड वेल, and I think by looking at this trailer, he used the word exciting, even I'm got very excited now. I think it will resonate in every single place, and it's also getting dubbed in various languages. एक तो story जो है वो हर जगह resonate करेगी. It's about the Indian freedom struggle and the way he's made it, and he's addressing everybody. तो मुझे लगता है it will do well everywhere.
SS Garu, welcome to Mumbai. Bagunnara.
Bagunnanandi, thank you.
Okay, fictional story between two revolutionaries, Charan and Rao, who fought against Britishers and Nizam of Hyderabad. How have you managed to avoid any historical contradiction that usually reps,
Luckily, what we did was, usually these things comes when we make a a biopic of the heroes. That's the time when people come up with this kind of allegations or whatever. But from the beginning, we are very clear that this is completely fictional. None of the scenes or whatever you see in the film are not actually a part of their actual lives, right? It is like I took the lives of these superheroes, real life superheroes or freedom fighters, Alluri Sita Ramaraja and Komaram Bhim, who belong to the same era, who went out of their homes during the same time, and no one knows what happened to them when they went out of their houses. And after 3-4 years, they came back and they started fighting for the rights of their people in the same modus operandi. Now, that gave me a very big excitement, like, what if these two superheroes, these two demigods whom we worship, what if they actually met? What if they exchange their ideas? What if they are friends? They are close friends. What if they fought against each other? No, all these ideas are like very, very exciting to me. So it's a completely fictional tale. There is no one bit of real life, real historical facts in the film. It's a completely fictional tale. It's about the friendship between two real superheroes who are freedom fighters. Yeah, that's it about it.
हेलो
Arguably, after the success of Bahubali,
अजय जी मेरा नाम आरती सक्सेना है। सवाल पहले कौन पूछेगा?
यहाँ दो बाहुबली बढ़ गए, वाह कमाल हो गया। You want to complete your question?
अच्छा, तो मेरा सवाल अजय जी से था कि ये जो आरआरआर और पीवीआर की जो कोलैबोरेशन है और
अनोखी दोस्ती है, तो ये सिर्फ इसी फिल्म तक रहेगी कि आगे भी बढ़ेगी?
No, it is not a. I don't believe in one-time film deals. I don't believe in that. That's not how I operated. That's not how I worked. If it's a friendship, it's a friendship. That's why I'm calling. I don't want to use the word collaboration. I want to use it dosti. And forgive my Hindi. I think it is bijli means thunder or electrifying. It's going to be a electrifying dosti between PVR and RRR for a long time to come.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
राजामौली जी,
I
मेरा
express
यही
the same
आपसे-
sentiment. Thank you.
Thank you so
राजामौली जी,
much.
आपसे मेरा एक क्वेश्चन ये भी था कि आपने हिंदी इंडस्ट्री में एंट्री की है, तो हिंदी बोलने में आपको कितनी तकलीफ होती है?
No, I can definitely speak Hindi, but I'm not sure about you being here when I start speaking Hindi. That's the
अभी
only
गिराई थी ना बिजली, अभी तो गिराई बिजली, क्या बात करते हैं? Yeah, one last question we'll take. Yeah, please.
Hello. Hi, sir. This is
Music.
Keyul from Sinistan.
Sorry, can you come again, please?
Sorry, this is Keyul from Sinistan. As we all know, no matter how much we try to ignore, but we can't forget that the collections of your last films were stupendous. I mean, they broke all the records. So naturally, there is a similar expectation from RRR as well. So how are you looking at this aspect?
When we make films, It is the audience who give us the money. So in this aspect, you are the audience. So if you are not going to give me enough money like Bahubali, I'm not going to accept that, okay?
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah, Mr. Rajamouli. Yeah, to your left.
Okay, please.
You have a penchant of making films for cinema. Everything is larger than life. You even made a fly into a larger than life creature. What primarily drives you to make cinema for that medium? I mean, for example, if we saw the trailer here, it looks like a film which has to be seen here on the big screen for Mr. Bijli to make a lot more money as well. Yeah.
In our childhood, going to a cinema was a very, very big thing. We were allowed to go only one film per 1 month, right? And we used to wait so much. For it, and we buy the ticket, we sit in the theater. I come from a very small town, and the theater was in a very bad shape. You can smell cigarette, you can smell all the bad things in a small town theater would give it, but none of it bothered us. I still remember the excitement sitting in the theater the moment the lights shut down. The amount of excitement I get, it never leaves me. Even now, when we are sitting here, when the lights shut off to play the teaser, I still get the same excitement. And I assume all my audiences who come to the theater have the same kind of excitement. I assume that. I believe that. And I don't want that excitement to go down. And that drives me. I want the audience to have if they feel anger in my film, I want them to feel to the fullest. If they feel like laughing, I want them to laugh to the fullest. If they feel wonder, I want them to wonder in the biggest way possible. So that is what makes me make my films. Yeah.
हेलो
Very soon. See, when I made Bahubali, the film itself, the story itself warranted two parts. In RRR, the whole story comes within one film. I don't believe in making a film in 1 part, 2 part, 3 part for the marketing, for the business. It doesn't work. It's a dishonest way of making films. I don't want to make the films that way. When the teaser is going to come, the marketing team, did you make a? We will announce it today. This evening itself, we are going to announce when the teaser is going to be made public.
Hello, sir. Rajmouli garu.
And I want to say one important thing when Mr. Sorry, sir. Kamal was talking. He said it is an honor that I be present in the cinemas in the auspicious day. Sir, the honor is mine. I sincerely believe, I sincerely feel that the theater is my temple. I don't believe in God, but I believe in theater. It's my temple. So it's an honor that I'm here, and I'm so happy that this collaboration is going to happen. And forgive me if I get my numbers wrong, 855 screens across the country.
Yes.
PVR, fantastic, the biggest exhibition giant. The giants are going to come together, just like the film, how these big giants have come together. The big giants, PVR and RRR, are going to come together to give you the best of the experiences that you can get. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, guys.
Hello, sir. Rajmouli garu.
Thank you so much.
Sir,
सर एक एक करके सर या
Yes, sir.
రాజమౌళి గారు థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ సార్ ఇక్కడికి వచ్చినందుకు ముంబైలోకి
Pleasure.
నెక్స్ట్ నేను అనిల్ అండి స్పీడ్ టాలీవుడ్ నుంచి ఇంకా మేము దివాళీలోపు ఒక మాస్ సాంగ్ ఎక్స్పెక్ట్ చేయొచ్చా సార్ ఫ్యాన్స్ చాలా అడుగుతున్నారు
మీ ఎక్స్పెక్టేషన్ నేను ఎలా ఆపగలను చెప్పండి. హౌ కెన్ ఐ స్టాప్ యువర్ ఎక్స్పెక్టేషన్? ద టీమ్ ఈస్ హియర్. ఐ కెన్ గివ్ యూ దేర్ నెంబర్స్. మీకు బయట ఏమన్నా రౌడీలు ఉంటే కూడా పెట్టుకోండి. ఐ డోంట్ మైండ్. యూ క్యాచ్ హోల్డ్ ఆఫ్ దెమ్ బై దేర్ షర్ట్ కాలర్స్ అండ్ డిమాండ్ దెమ్ వెన్ దే ఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు గివ్ యూ దోస్ థింగ్స్.
ఓకే సార్ మనకి ప్రభాస్ గారిది రాధేశ్యామ్ కూడా వస్తుంది జనవరి లోపల అప్పుడు దాని మీద మీ స్పందన ఏంది సార్? అంటే మనకి RRR కూడా వస్తుంది కదా సార్?
అదే చెప్పాను కదండి, రాధేశ్యామే కాదు, ఇంకా చాలా దర్ మెనీ ఫిల్మ్స్ దట్ ఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు కమ్. ఇఫ్ ద ఫిల్మ్స్ ఆర్ గుడ్, I certainly hope, I wish all the films are good and all the film make money and all the films make the audiences very happy and very excited. It's for all films. This is the time where we can't say my film has to do well, that film can't do well. This is not the time for it. This is the time for all of us to come together and say, think, feel that all films should do well and all films should make money.
Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen.